know what you're doing, go to the blog. All right, so now we're going to be factoring for this circumstance where we have a trinomial that's expressed as x squared plus bx plus c. And today we're only going to worry for situations when the c is positive. Tomorrow we'll do the same basic thing, but the c will be negative. Okay? This is the factoring that you are used to from connected math. So if you were interested in solving these problems using the squares, that's fine. So let's take a look at our first problem. We have x squared plus 16x plus 28. Well, we could start with our square. What would the area be for our square? Or for this first one right here, I'm sorry, right here. X squared, which would make this side length x, this side length x. So we get x squared. What would the area of this portion be? 28. So now we're being forced to ask ourselves, what number here and here would multiply together to get 28? And when you add this area and this area together, you would get 16x. So let's try to figure this out. What two numbers multiplied together equal 28? 14. Yes, Callan? 14 and 2. So let's say this is length from here to here is 14. This length here is 2. So 14 times x is 14x. X times 2 is 2x. 2x plus 14x is 16x. We are in good shape. So this here would equal x plus 2, because that's what this side length is, times x plus 14. Simple enough. That is the answer. We have successfully factored it. Now, I'm going to show you how I was taught to factor this. I don't care if you use the rectangles or the means that I am about to show you to factor. When I was growing up, I was taught to factor. Oh man, they have cake over there. So sit down. All right. So when I was taught to factor, I was told to make a table. We're going to make a factor sum table. So I'm going to list all the factors.
Hey, my birthday's on Friday too.
Okay, it's Mrs. Starr's birthday. All right, let's move on. No. No. All right, so we are looking for factors of 28, this last term here. And then we're going to find the sums of those factors, and we are looking for our 16. So let's list out all the factors of 28. Someone give me a factor pair of 28. Hannah? 1 and 28. Give me another one. 2 and 14. Give me another one.
4 and 7.
Give me another one. Think negative. Negative 1 and negative 28. Negative 2 and negative 14. Negative 4 and negative 7. And now let's add these together. 1 plus 28 is 29. 2 plus 14 is 16. 4 plus 7 is 11. Negative 29, negative 16, negative 29. Negative 11, sorry. And lo and behold, here's our 16 right here. So therefore, the answer is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 14. And we know they're positive because both of these are positive. And so this is our answer. And look, we get the same answer both ways.